Hi guys, thank you guys for watching, and let's get into the video. Okay, so it's like the same thing as last time, but I really do enjoy these, like I say, and it's really nice. So this one's always pretty cool. Like, I hold some of these stuff off for a while, and I'm like, why? And I do these kind of like every day, but like in a big group together, so done. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! But it doesn't look cool. Comment down below.